Assalamu alaikum. Let's read the sixth paragraph today of Al-Mudun Al-Islamiyya كيف كان تخطيطها وبناؤها. After this sixth paragraph, we have got two more paragraphs left. We're gonna read them tomorrow, inshallah. Let's get started from the sixth paragraph. Madinatul Qayruwan. Okay, this is a name of a city, قيروان. في سنة 661 في سنة 661 ميلاديا. During this period, during 661 AD, what happened? أرسل يرسل means sending. أرسل الخليفة. Who sent? الخليفة عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنه sent. What he sent? Whom he sent? He sent Al-Qa'id, a leader. He sent the commander. Qa'id means leader, commander. What was his name? Uqba bin Nafi'. The leader that Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu sent li Africa. And his name was what? Uqba bin Nafi'. And why he was sent? He was sent for. Li means for. Fath means achieving victory. Achieving victory. To achieve the victory, Afriqiya. To achieve the victory over Africa, specific place is Tunisia. So who sent? Umar ibn Khattab radiallahu ta'ala who sent. Whom he sent? He sent the commander named Uqba bin Nafi'. For what? For conquering Afriqiya. Alright. Tunis. Afriqiya, Tunisia, this country. وبعد أن تم له النصر. And after became tamma after completed the victory. An-Nasr means victory for him. After he achieved the victory, or after he completed or he accomplished his victory lahu for him. Nasr means victory. Ba'da means after. After he accomplished, and tamma means accomplished his victory. Lahu means for him, and Nasr victory. After he accomplished his victory and Nasr victory for him, what he did, qama, he established, or he stood for, he took decision, or he took initiative to establish بتأسيس Medina, to establish a city there. بتأسيس Medina, تأسيس أسس يؤسس تفعيل. To establish a city, he decided. Where he decided to establish a city, he decided to establish the city في وسط الصحراء, in the middle of the desert. In the middle of the desert, Sammaha, that they call, or that he called Al-Qayruwan. The city that he established, he named it as Qayruwan. He named it as Qayruwan. Ha means what? Ha means Medina, the city that he sees Assasa, established. Samma means he named it, giving a name. For what? Why he established a city? Litakuna, to serve as a military base. Muaskar means military camp, to serve. For what he established the city? He established the city to serve as a military camp. Muaskar, as a military camp. For whom? Il-Juyush, for the armies. For Juyush al-Islamiyya, for Muslim armies. Al-Fatiha. Sanat, in which year? It happened in 50 Hijratan, during 50 Hijri, during the period of Hijri 50. He established a city in the desert named Qayruwan, and the purpose of establishing that camp was, or military camp was to, for what? For whom? For Muslim armies, right? And it was in 50 Hijri, and in AD, which AD? 670 ميلاديا, in 670 ميلاديا. وكان لها 14 بابا, and this city had how many gates? وكان, and wa means, and kana means was, laha, for that, la means for, ha means that means what? That means city, ha, Medina. Okay, it had It had how many gates? The city had 14 gates. 14 بابا. بابا means gate. وكانت سوقها تمتد على طريق. وكانت سوقها. سوقها means its market. سوق means market. ها means مدينة. Then its market. سوقها means its market. كانت تمتد. Uh, its market had extended, or its market extended along with the road. على طريق means with the road. Okay, the market, the city had was quite long. That means its market extended. تمتد. امتد يمتد means extending, getting longer. All right, being longer. So its market extended with the road. There was a road along with the market. So, and how long it was? يبدأ, it started. Okay. The market's length started from the mosque, min al Jamia. There was a huge mosque, big mosque, main mosque. So its length started from the mosque that they built, and wayantahi, and it ended, the souk, the market ended at Bab al-Rabi'. All right, this is a place name, and it ended where? At Bab al-Rabi' in the south of the city. All right, so this long the market was of that city named Qayrawan. ويبلغ طول هذا الطريق ويبلغ طول هذا الطريق, and the road was ويبلغ طول هذا الطريق. How was the طريق? هذا الطريق means the road. The road was the length of the road. طول هذا الطريق. طول means what? Length. Length. The length of the road. Length of the road reached. يبلغ means reached. How long it was. The main thing is how long it was. The length of the road reached, or it was how long? It was around 1 mile. Milan wa thuluthai milin, 2/3. Okay, 1 and 2/3 miles long. The road was how many miles long? The road was 1 and 2/3 mile long. Do you understand? The road that we saw here, ala tariq yabda. Okay, so that's what he's saying. Yablogo means reaching. Yablogo means what? Yablogo means reaching. So what reached? The road reached, or the length of the road was around 1 mile and 2/3 miles. Do you understand? وكان ذا سطح مستطيل, and it had. كان. كان means the سوق, the market. The market was with. ذا سطح مستطيل. سطح means what? Roof. Mustatil means rectangular. That means it had a rectangular layout, or it had a rectangular roof. ROOF, roof. Okay, so that was also quite big. Mustatil means rectangular. The shape is like this. Okay, rectangular, something like that. My lines are not correct. So it's rectangular shape. سطح means roof. وفيه, and in the rooftop or under the rooftop, جميع المتاجر, there were all the shops were there. All the shops were there. جميع المتاجر. جميع means all. متاجر means shops. All right, متجر, متاجر. All the shops were there under the سطح, under the roof. And والصناعات, and there were plenty of crafts work. There were plenty of crafts work. So, the city named Kairouan, it was in Tunisia, and the city was established in the middle of the desert, and it's named Kairouan. And for the general purpose, the main purpose of establishing that city was to serve as a military base for Muslim armies, right, in 15 Hijri. And it had a huge long market, and with the market there was a long road. The road was too long, and it was around 1 and 2/3 miles long. Okay,